Here's why TikTok Shop is the Amazon of 2016 and you're missing out if you're not on there. All right, let's get real for a second. If you're out here dumping thousands of dollars into PPC ads on Amazon or running Facebook ads that barely break even, let me put you on something better. TikTok Shop, it's the move right now. And honestly, it's where sellers are printing money without even making their own content. I know this because I've been there. With my first brand, Leverage, I was burnt out trying to make it work on Facebook. I was spending thousands on ads, making all the videos myself because UGC costs like $150 a video and barely scraping any profits off of it. I wanted to focus on the stuff that matters to me, which is building brands, launching new products, building systems, and managing people. But instead, I just felt like a glorified content creator with an e-commerce business on the side. That's when I first found out about TikTok Shop, and it seemed like the perfect opportunity for me as a business owner to go out, find affiliates, and have them create content for me. Since then, we've tested hundreds of videos on other platforms, but here's the game changer. I haven't had to make a single piece of content myself. TikTok Shop gave me the freedom to step back, focus on growing the brand, and now we're launching our second brand in the exact same way. I don't see another alternative to this instead of just going out, reaching out to affiliates on Instagram. And trust me, I've been trying to make this affiliate thing work for a long time. From reaching out to thousands of influencers on Instagram and them taking the product and then posting one story and that's it. And that's not the content that scales on Facebook. You either have to make it yourself, you have to either hire someone to make UGC for you, or you can just get a creator on TikTok Shop and have them make videos for you in exchange for a percentage of commissions. And they only get paid if you get a sale. So it's a win-win situation. Now here's why this works so well. You're not paying for a click every time someone discovers your product. TikTok's algorithm does the heavy lifting. It's trained from all the e-commerce data from China, from the American audience, and it is the best algorithm out there. That's why if TikTok gets banned and China takes away the algorithm, TikTok as a platform is essentially going to be useless because it is the algorithm that finds you the right buyers. It is the algorithm that gets people thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales on every viral video because it finds you the buyers that are interested in your product, and it does that for free. Compare that to ads where you're literally paying first and then hoping someone just clicks on your ad and converts. To me, that wasn't an enjoyable business to run. Now, the second reason is leveraging affiliates' creativity. That's why I love the word leverage, because you are literally using their creativity and not just one person. Because as a business owner, you're one person, right? But if you have an army of affiliates, you have hundreds of people testing out new angles, they're testing out new styles of video for your product. That way, instead of you being limited by your creativity, now you have basically a whole marketing department inside of your team, all for a fraction of the cost. Because now it's no longer you having a stake in the brand and you're thinking of all the content ideas and you have a creative director that, half-asses their job. Now it's literally up to the affiliates to earn their keep, make the sales for you, because that's the way they get paid. So it's a great way to align incentives, and you're also leveraging all of their creativity in the process. And the best part is you only pay them when they make a sale. That's free marketing with zero upfront risk compared to Facebook ads where you're paying just to test if something works. Here's why this is the biggest opportunity right now. TikTok Shop is exploding. This is like Amazon in 2016 all over again. The sellers who are jumping in right now are the ones that are going to dominate later because they're going to have the access to the best affiliates. They're going to have access to the best systems. And I'm sure you guys have just seen the ban controversy that happened with TikTok. It's going to get bigger than ever because now TikTok is the forbidden fruit. Everyone wants to hop on the platform. That means more buyers, more affiliates, and more money overall. And let's not even talk about the halo effect. You've probably heard of the 7, 11, 14 rules. And that's where TikTok Shop really crushes ads. People discover your product on TikTok, then they jump to Amazon to buy it because they already trust Amazon. TikTok has a lot of demand generation, but people still don't trust the platform. So now here's the great part there. All of those sales spill into other platforms. For example, let's say you're running an ad on Facebook, and now when they see your product, they're going to be more likely to buy. And this is a great thing because now you don't even have to pay the affiliate from that indirect sale that you got because the affiliates only get paid the direct number of sales they generate. This means your ads get cheaper. This means your branded search volume goes up on Amazon. So Amazon is now ranking you more. Facebook ads are cheaper because the algorithm thinks your ads are way more engaging. They're converting a lot more. And even your own site is doing better because it's ranking more on Google because people are searching for it. It's the 7-11-4 rule. Look it up. People need 7 touch points, 11 interactions, and to see you on 4 platforms before they buy. TikTok is the spark that fuels everything else. Now, ads are tough on Facebook, on Amazon. You're constantly monitoring bids, you're fighting for keywords, and you're dealing with rising ad costs. Like, have you seen the CPCs on Facebook recently? It's crazy. TikTok Shop, on the other hand, lets you scale organically. You're leveraging the creativity of other people, not bleeding cash on clicks. And that is the best and most attractive part of this platform. And you don't even need to be a creative genius. You don't even need to make videos yourself. TikTok Shop gives you a constant flow of content that you can repurpose into Facebook ads. You can repurpose it on your social media, and now everyone that sees your social media trusts you more. Your affiliates do the heavy lifting, and all you need to do is focus on building the brand, launching products, making sure that product economics works, and so on. So if you're like me and you're tired of burning money on ads and want a strategy that works, TikTok Shop is the move. And listen, you don't have to figure it out on your own. We have the systems that we've made the mistakes, and we're about to launch another brand, and I'm going to be revealing a lot of that content on this channel. So be sure to subscribe. And if you're still on the fence about subscribing to this channel, check out my next video where I'll show you exactly how I got my first TikTok Shop sales without spending a dime. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all when I see you.